hello everyone. If you're watching this, then either you missed or are part of the asynchronous day we're having today, week 10, day 1, Foundations of Technology. So we're not going to meet physically or virtually or at all today, but you do get to watch this recording of me. And what I need you all to do today is very, very straightforward. The quarter is coming to an end. Thursday is the last day I'll accept any work. I need you to check your grades and double, triple make sure you're happy with what you see there. Please don't forget, your bridge research project is due Wednesday the 14th. And there's one final assignment that's posted up today that's going to be due Thursday the 15th. I will show you that assignment now and we'll go from there. So let's do it. So if you go to modules, week 10, you will see here's the bridge research report is worth 20 points. Please do not forget to turn that in. And then the geodesic dome assignment is just 5 points, but you should still make sure to do it. And the idea is we've talked a lot about different kinds of structures, and this is one final piece of that puzzle. This is a really interesting construction that's got a lot of really cool features to it. I need you to watch a short video describing how it works and read this article about it as well and answer the following 2 questions. What makes geodesic domes stand out as a particularly good way to build a long-lasting structure? And why might regular non-geodesic dome structures be more difficult to work out loads for than a geodesic dome? Hopefully those questions make sense to you. If not, please be sure to email me. I'm happy to meet with you after school if you would like. If you need additional help with either this or any other assignment from this quarter, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm happy to work with you. Finish strong, and I'll see you guys all in class. Thank you all very much.